Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing something so exciting. Oh, I got my address. I have this box here and it is my KKW Beauty. If you guys can't even see that. It's my KKW Beauty package that I received in the mail yesterday. I decided to wait to open it up on camera. Well, it's already open. I decided to wait to use the products on camera to show you guys what I got. So I'm super excited, so let's get into this video. So Kim just came out with a new full collection of nude lipsticks and some lip liners, so I decided to pick up a few of those to test out. I didn't pick up the entire collection because not all of the shades were gonna match me well, and I knew I wasn't gonna like all of the shades, so I didn't want to waste my money, but I did pick up a couple. So this is my first package from KKW Beauty. So yeah, I really like the inside of this box. It's like this little muted salmon kind of pink color, and the tissue paper is like that as well. So from this collection, I just got two of her new lipsticks and then one of the lip liners. Starting off, I'm gonna start out with the lip liner first. I just got it in nude 2, and first off, the packaging, I really like her packaging. It's super nice, super sleek and simple, very minimal, which is really nice. I'm gonna swatch all of these for you guys. So opening this up, Kim, what you doing? So opening this up, this is what the pencil looks like, but on my pencil, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have like markings on my pencil. I don't like this. Reminds me of Kylie's pencils, because these are what Kylie Cosmetic pencils feel like. This is nude 2. I'm gonna swatch it on my arm here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what nude 2 is looking like. It's kind of like a more brownish nude. It's on the darker side of the nude spectrum, but I would refer to this more so as a brown, more so brownish nude. Opening up the lipstick packaging. Opening up the lipstick packaging, it just comes in this clear acrylic case. Then you take it out and it rolls up. The clear packaging reminds me of like those acrylic makeup storage containers that you can get off of like Amazon. I really like that it's clear so you can see your product and see the color in the inside. And then twisting it up, this is how much product you get. This is 0.14 ounces, which is 4 grams. So this is nude 4. So this is what nude 4 looks like. It's more on the pinky side. It's a pinky nude, and these type of nudes aren't my favorite, but I do like to mix them with a darker lip pencil such as a brown lip liner so that it does come out more so brownish nude instead of the pinky nude. Last one that I got is nude 6. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. This is what this one is looking like. This is nude 6 swatched on my hand. 6 is more like a brown orange terracotta nude, which I prefer over more so pinky nudes. So I did my base makeup, so I have my foundation, concealer, powder on. I've already set my face. I have a little bit of eyeshadow on, so we're just gonna start. I'm only gonna be doing the lips today, and I'm gonna also do a wear test on this lipstick so that you guys can see how it wears. I'm gonna start off with the lip liner, of course. Once again, this is a nude 2. The lip liner is applied. This is what it's looking like. It's just a brown liner on my lip. If you guys can see my pencil, I used quite a bit of the pencil. These markings were already here when I received it, which I don't why. This is what it's looking like. It's just a brown lip pencil, nothing too special. Let's see, I think I might apply nude 4. Let's see, I'm gonna take nude 4 first and see how it's looking. Alright, so nude 4 is applied to my lips. This is what it's looking like. I think I'm just going to leave it at nude 4. I'm not going to do nude 6 on top because it is going to make it darker. And I am liking how this is looking right now. You can see this is what Nude 4 is looking like. Both the lip pencil and the lipstick went on so smooth, super smooth. It was very easy and creamy to apply. Now if you're not super careful with this, it can get a little messy a little bit quickly. Since it is so creamy, you can like zigzag on your lips, and we don't want that. So moisturizing, so I'm excited to see how this wears throughout the day. The only thing is that I don't normally go for cream lipsticks and lip liners. I really like for them to be matte, and if it's not matte, I set it down so that it doesn't transfer or anything. But I'm not gonna set this down or anything. I'm gonna see how it wears on its own by itself throughout the day, the lip liner and the lipstick together. And yeah, I actually like the color. I just don't like the shine on my lips, but that's a personal preference because I don't like cream lipsticks. But nonetheless, application was good. Everything is going good so far. And yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a couple of hours, and we're gonna see how this wore. Oh, I already got it recording because I sneezed. So hey guys, I am back a couple hours later. It is 4 hours later. When I filmed the video, it was 2 o'clock. It is now 6:11 p.m. So I've been wearing this lip for 4 hours, and there's not much left on my lips. Still on my lips, it's just not as noticeable as it was when I first applied it. The liner is still there from what I can see. So yeah, the liner stayed put, but the actual lipstick itself, it did fade away. I've eaten and I have drinking, and it seems like it faded away. Nothing really transferred on my drinks or on my food or anything, but it did just fade away from normal eating. So I will say that it did not transfer on anything that I had at all. So it is sort of transfer proof. It just faded away as I was eating and drinking, you know. Normal, because it is a cream lipstick, it's not super matte, so it isn't gonna stay, but the lip liner did stay, so that's a plus. So the lip liner is really good. Overall, all of these products are really good. I would recommend the KKW Beauty lipsticks and the lip liners. Yeah, I would recommend them. They are super nice quality. They're very creamy and moisturizing, and they apply to the lips really, really well and really nicely. Is my overall review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and commenting down below. Also, if you guys don't have my post notifications on, make sure you turn those on so that you're notified of every single upload that I post, and so that I'm in your notification subscription box. And yeah guys, I see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Recording. What are you doing? Why is it not stopping recording?